Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning Maths with Namita. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make smallest and greatest numbers using given digits. Okay, so we'll start with two-digit numbers. Let's suppose we have digits 2 and 8. Okay, and we have to make a smallest two-digit number and a greatest two-digit number using these two. So we have two digits, that means we will have two place values, ones and tens, right? To make a smallest number, we always need to write the smaller digit in the biggest place value column, okay? So see, in ones and tens, tens is the higher place value, right? And in 2 and 8, 2 is the smaller number. So smaller digit will go to the tens column, and the bigger digit, which is 8 here, it will go into the ones column. Okay? What do we get? We will multiply 2 by 10 and 8 by 1. We will get 20 plus 8, 28. Okay, so this is the smallest two-digit number which can be made using 2 and 8. For the greatest number, we have to do just the opposite. The greater number will be written in the higher place value column. So 8 will be written in the tens column and 2 will be written in the ones column. We will multiply 8 by 10 and 2 by 1. We will get 80 plus 2, which becomes 82. Okay? So using the digits 2 and 8, we get 28 as the smallest two-digit number and we get 82 as the greatest two-digit number, right? We'll take the next pair of digits to make another smallest and greatest number. So the digits you have are 1 and 9. Okay? Now I want you to try number formation with me. Okay? So we have ones column, we have tens column. For the smallest number formation, the smaller digit will go where? Yes, in the tens column. Okay, so 1 and 9 will come in the ones column. We will multiply 1 by 10 and 9 by 1, which gives us 10 plus 9, 19. Okay, for the greatest number, the bigger number will be written in tens column and smaller digit will be written in ones column. So we get 9 multiplied by 10 plus 1 multiplied by 1. We get 90 plus 1, which gives us 91, right? In the beginning, you need to make this place value chart to make things easier for you, okay, to avoid any confusion. Gradually, as you practice, you can skip this part, okay? This is not mandatory. Okay, you can skip making this chart. You can simply write like this. The smaller number comes in the higher place value place and the bigger number will come later on. And in the same way, for the greatest number, write the greatest digit first and the smallest after that. Okay, so 19 is the smallest two-digit number using 1 and 9, and 91 is the greatest two-digit number using digits 1 and 9. Okay, all right, now we can make a number using 3 digits. The process is exactly the same, only one more digit we have. So let's suppose we have digits 3, 7 and 5. Here we have 3 digits, so we need 3 place values, right? We have ones, tens and hundreds, okay? The concept is same, okay? When you are making a smallest three digit number, write the smallest digit in the highest place value. So 100 is the highest among these place values, so we will write 3 here because among 3, 7 and 5, 3 is the smallest digit. Then the greatest digit will be written in the ones column, and we are left with 5. We will write it here. So 3 will be multiplied by 100, 5 will be multiplied by 10, and 7 will be multiplied by 1. We get 300 plus 50 plus 7, which gives us 357. Okay, this is the smallest three digit number we can make using these three digits. Now for the greatest number, what we can do is we will write the greatest digit in the greatest column. Okay, let me erase it, and we will use the same place value chart. So instead of 3 we will write 7 here because 7 is the greatest number, greatest digit here. Then we will write 5, the second biggest number, and then 3. Okay, so the greatest digit will come here, the smallest digit will come in the ones column. Again, multiplying it by 100, 5 by 10, and 3 by 1. We get 700 plus 50 plus 3, which gives us 753. Okay, so we get 357 as the smallest three digit number and 753 as the greatest three digit number. Okay, all right. Let's take one more set of digits to make a three digit number. The digits we have are 5, we can have 0, we can have 5 and 9. Okay, so try this one. Pause the video and try to make a smallest three digit number first. Okay, so for the smallest three digit number, you must be thinking that we should write 0 in the hundreds column because this is what we have done in the previous number formation, right? So concept wise it is correct, but the digit here we are talking about is 0. We cannot start a number with 0 because if you write 0 5 9, it is actually a two digit number, right? 095 is nothing but 95. 059 is nothing but 59. So these are actually two digit numbers, right? So that is the reason we should not start a number with 0. Okay, so what we'll do, next smallest. Okay, ignore 0 and find the next smallest number or digit. So 5 is the smaller digit here now, so we will write 5 here, and the greatest digit will come in the ones column, and we'll write 0 in the tens column. It gives us 5 will be multiplied by 100, 0 will be multiplied by 10, and 9 will be multiplied by 1, which gives us 500 plus 0 plus 9, it gives us 509. Okay, for the greatest number, what we'll do, the largest number will be written in the hundreds column, the smallest digit will be written in the ones column, and whichever digit we are left with, it will be written in the tens column. So it gives us 9 multiplied by 100, 5 multiplied by 10, and 0 multiplied by 1. We get 900 plus 50 plus 0, which gives us 950. Okay, so the smallest three digit number we got is 509, and greatest three digit number we got using 0, 5 and 9 is 950. All right. Okay. So I hope it made the concept clear for you. Follow the process step by step. Don't be scared of the digits, whether it's zero or whether it's a repeating digit. Okay. The process is always the same. Now, I want you to form a smallest 3 digit and a greatest 3 digit number using these 3 digits. Okay, and tell me in the comment section what number you get, the smallest one and the greatest one. Mention both. Okay, and always remember, we cannot start a number, we should not start a number with 0. Okay, keep in mind, this is a very important fact while making numbers. All right, so thank you so much for your time. This was it in today's lesson. Next video will be about number formation of 4 using 4 digits. Okay? So if you find my lessons helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel Learning Maths with Namita. Thank you so much. Bye bye.